Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed the lesson The Snake and the Mirror, and I hope you all have started writing the notes of that lesson. Today, we are moving to the new lesson that is from B Reading. It is a poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo. So, if you see in your textbook, The Duck and the Kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo, "Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you," said the duck to the kangaroo. "Please give me a ride on your back," said the duck to the kangaroo. "I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and we'd go to the Dee and the Jelly Bolly, over the land and over the sea. Please take me a ride, oh do," said the duck to the kangaroo. So, this poem is written by Edward Lear. So, he is explaining a conversation between a duck and the kangaroo. So, what the duck and the kangaroo is talking here, we will see. So, see here, said the duck to the kangaroo. Duck is telling to the kangaroo what it is telling. "Good gracious, how you hop." So, what it mean by good gracious? Good gracious means it expresses the feeling of exclamation. Means it is surprised. The duck is surprised. How you hop means how you jump or leap or move by jumping. So, the duck is asking the kangaroo that how you jump over the fields and the water too. So the duck is asking the kangaroo that how you will jump over the fields and the water, as if you never would stop. Means if I see, means as if you never want to stop. Means how the kangaroo is jumping. It is jumping over the fields and the water as if it never want to stop. So the duck is telling, "My life is a bore in this nasty pond." Nasty means very bad or unpleasant pond. So it is expressing that the pond is not neat, it is dirty. So it is telling that my life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. So what does the duck feel like? It feel like to go out from this pond into the, means I long to go out in the world beyond. So it want to go out from this pond and it want to see the whole world. So I wish I could hop like you. So the duck is telling that I wish I would hop, means I would jump like you. To whom it is telling? It is telling to kangaroo that I wish I can jump like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. So here duck is telling that I wonder how you will jump over the fields and the water as if you never want to stop. And also it is telling that my life is a bore in this dirty pond, and I long, means it feel as if, means it wish to go out from this pond to see the whole world. And the duck want to jump like kangaroo and it want to see the whole world. So the duck is telling to the kangaroo in this way. So, "Please give me a ride on your back," said the duck to the kangaroo. So the duck is asking to give a ride. Ride means a short journey on the back of the kangaroo. And what it want to do? It is telling to kangaroo that I would sit quite still. Means it will not irritate nor disturb it. It will sit quiet without moving here and there, and say nothing but quack. Quack means the usual sound made by the duck. So the duck is telling that I will sit quietly on your back Only I will say one thing, that is quack, the whole of the long day through. So the duck is asking the kangaroo to take it out for a ride on its back the whole day, and it is telling what it want to see, and would go to the Dee and the Jelly Bole. Dee and the Jelly Bole means wonderful places imagined by the poet. So it want to go and see the wonderful and beautiful places which are there in the nearby area where they live, and over the land and over the sea. So it want to see the beautiful areas, places which were imagined by the poet, and also the land and the sea also it want to see. So it is requesting, please take me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo. So the duck is asking the kangaroo to give him a ride on his back. So it is requesting the kangaroo to give a ride on its back, and it is telling that I would sit quiet without saying anything but quack. So and it want to see the what? It want to see the whole, it want to spend the whole day out seeing the beautiful places imagined by the poet, and also the land and the sea it want to see. So it is requesting the kangaroo to give a ride on its back. So all this is said by whom? The duck is telling to the kangaroo. So I think you have understood till here. So what is the meaning of this poem? This poem shows the true love of true friends, the duck and the kangaroo. True friends help one another. So the duck thinks that her life is boring as she lives in a dirty pond. She likes to go out and see the world. She says that the kangaroo is lucky who can jump or spring. The duck also likes to have the same quality. The duck requests the kangaroo to give her a ride on his back. They will go over the land and the sea. So this is what the poem is about, and we'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.